Hello everyone friends. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can quickly and easily change your profile picture in the Facebook app without notifying all of your followers. But before you start watching this video, dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and also please write your comments. But what's up friends? Let's get down to this topic. And first of all, open up, of course, the Facebook app itself on your device. Next, you'll need to go to your account. Then please click on the camera sign on your profile photo. Now you will need to select some photo from your camera to change it. Next, you will need to click on this option at the bottom. You will also be able, friends, to modify your future profile photo as needed. For example, zoom in, zoom out, add a frame, and so on. You will definitely need to disable this option, which notifies everyone that you have changed your profile photo. After that, friends, at the top please click the Save option. This way you will change your Facebook profile photo without notifying any of your friends. I really hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, make sure to write comments, and also friends, subscribe to our channel. Bye, everybody.